Welcome to Tezintel. Want to get data insights and feasibility study on your business? Tezintel has a solution for you. It has innovative, automated projection and valuation tools. It has two categories: financial projection and real estate valuation. To get started, first you need to sign up. Add your username, email, and password, and click on Sign Up. A confirmation email will be sent to you in your mail. Next, select a category from the above, and then choose a property. Then select a development type. Begin by specifying the title of the report. Next, enter the address or simply click from the map to pinpoint your desired location and retrieve the corresponding address. Enter the total acres or square footage of the site representing the area. Specify the number of driveway curb cuts. Indicate the average size of each curb cut. Enter the square footage of the primary road frontage width. Enter the square footage of the secondary road frontage, if any. If the site is an existing retail unit, provide monthly convenience store sales, monthly food sales, monthly car wash sales. Choose whether the site is located at an intersection. Select if you have a site plan. Choose from pre-filled templates based on your site square footage or input your custom values. Provide the gas brand associated with this site if determined. Specify the number of multi-product dispensers, also known as MPDs. Enter the quantity of auto diesel hoses. Indicate the number of car washes on this site. Enter 0 if none. Enter details for the quick service restaurants, which is also known as QSRs, including its brand and size and square feet. If there are any retail tenants, input how many and the total combined square footage. Type square footage for the convenience store facility. Enter the number of freezer doors and the number of cooler doors. Indicate if the store includes a beer cave. Specify whether the store will operate 24 hours. Now select and upload your site images and site plans from your device. Now, let us know if you need help getting financing, finding the right contractor, broker, appraiser, or any other needs. We can help you connect with the right organization fast. Once you authorize us, we can send over your report to the right organization or service professionals to contact you directly. Please check off which services you need help with. Press Generate Report or sign up to generate a report. The top right side will show remaining reports you have left. You can also purchase a report credit for single or 5 reports. Choose your payment plan and enter your card details to proceed with the payment. Once the payment is verified, you are done with the evaluation and a PDF report will be generated. The PDF feasibility report will have an automated market valuation, forecasted monthly and annual fuel volume and merchandise sales, competitor analysis, and more. This was just a quick tour for our features and services and how to use our platform to cut your wait time from weeks to minutes and save you money. Thank you for considering us, and we look forward to taking the journey with you on your project.